Long story, tell long story. Give me the cash and get shine get dory. Long story, tell long story. Give me the cash and get shine get dory. You're going to do the dude. Give me the cash, I look dude. Put in no dude. Give a bunga zoom petty. This is the scheme, Sam. I've been sleeping only shit. Feel like I'm just out of shape. Mali kona ngabe. Zalala ngane. Zutwala ngane. Istana Sam and Stolaga. Long story, tell long story. Give me the cash and get shine get dory. Long story, tell long story. Give me the cash and get shine get dory. Long story, tell long story. Give me the cash and get shine get dory. Long story, tell long story. Give me the cash and get shine get dory.
Same effort, honey. Your mom raised 3 kids without a degree, and 3 couples just survive. They bought groceries week 1 day's pay. You work 2 jobs to still have the card. This isn't about who's working harder. It's about how much the game has changed. Stop comparing your progress to theirs. They played in the rookie mode. You're an expert with inflation, digital pressure, and a world that never sleeps. You didn't fall behind. The starting line moved, the rules shifted, and you're still in the game. So stop the guilt, stop the shit. You're not too late.